How to create a blooper beep video effect. For this tutorial, you will require Audacity and DaVinci Resolve. Version 19.0.3 is used in this video. First, in Audacity, select Tracks, then go to Add New and select Stereo Track. Select Generate and Tone. Increasing the frequency will result in a high-pitched tone. Reducing the amplitude will result in a quieter beeping effect. Here in this example, keep waveform set to sine, the frequency in hertz to 1000, and the amplitude to 0.2. I will keep the duration of this audio clip set to 30 seconds. You can preview the tone before you click OK. You should see the sound representation appearing on screen. To export, go to File, Export, and export as MP3. Select a folder. Ensure that the format options stay as their default settings, with bitrate mode set to preset, quality to standard, and variable speed set to fast, with the channel mode set to joint stereo. Click on Save once you've typed in your file name, and click on OK if the Edit Metadata Tags window appears. Inside the Edit window of DaVinci Resolve now, holding Ctrl or Command if you're a Mac user and press I to insert your newly created audio beep effect. Find the MP3 file inside your media pool master bin. Click and drag from the thumbnail to the timeline to insert the clip into your project, inserting in the lower A audio tracks towards the bottom of your interface. Now go to Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Generators and go to select a color bar generator of your choice. Here in this example, I will choose the SMPTE color bar effect. Conventionally, these bleep blooper video effects last for 1 second of screen time. By default, the generator filter has a duration of 5 seconds. In order to change the length of both this and the audio effect, holding Ctrl or Command if you're a Mac user and select both edits, then holding Ctrl and press D to open up the change duration window. Select the 1 second preset and click Change. And now your 1 second blooper effect with video and audio content is ready for rendering. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care. But here in this tutorial, I will stick with the 5 second...